Hello children, welcome back. How are you everyone? Yes, doing well. And children, are you studying at home? Yes, keep studying at home. Okay children? So I am back with one more new letter. Okay? I am going to teach you today letter J. Letter J. Okay? And I am going to show you how to write letter J, and I am going to tell you the things which are starting with letter J. Yes, and I know you must be like jam. Yes, jam, jelly, juice. All these are your favorite things. Yes, starting with letter J. Yes, J for jam, J for jelly, J for juice. Yes, and J for jar, a container with a wide mouth. We can keep pickle, masalas, etc. in the jar. J for jug, J for jug, a large container usually made of mud or glass. Okay. J for jeep, a small vehicle used to travel on rough roads. J for jeans. Yes. Jeans are a type of pants or trousers typically made from denim cloth. Okay. Children, all of you must be having jeans pant, okay? Isn't it? Yes? Very good. J for joker. Yes. A person who does things make others laugh. J for joker. Correct. J for judge. J for judge. I know this is little difficult to understand, isn't it? Yes. A person with the experience to give a meaningful opinion. Okay. J for jaguar. Jaguar is a wild animal and he generally from cat family. Yes. J for jigsaw. A machine saw used to curve and irregular lines or open work patterns. J for jet. Yes, an airplane powered by one or more jet engines. J for jelly bean. Yes, who likes jelly beans? A sweet candy which has the shape of a bean. Yes. Okay, children? Okay, children, now our story time. And our today's story name is Jack the Little Boy. Yes, let's start, children. Once upon a time, there was a boy. His name was Jack. One day, Jack went for a picnic with his friends in a jeep. They all went to jungle safari. When they arrived, they saw a jet in the sky. They started jumping and waving. Then they felt hungry. They ate some jam, jelly. Yes. After that, they played together jigsaw puzzle. At night, Jack felt cold, so he put on his jacket and they all went back home happily. So children, do you like the story of little boy Jack? Yes? Very good. Okay children, now I will show you how to write small letter J in our 4-line notebook. Okay? First, you will put a dot like this. And you will write this letter from blue line to red line. Not red line to blue line. Okay, you will write the letter from blue line to red line. Okay, and don't write your letter like this. This is wrong way. Okay, write your letter from blue line to red line like this, and put a dot on your letter J like this. This is how you will write your letter J, small letter J. Okay children, see how teacher is writing. Standing line and curve. Yes, and one small dot on the letter J. Okay children? Okay children, now our activity time, and for this activity you need one black sketch pen and one blank paper. Okay? Okay children, now I will show you how to draw drawings by using small j. Okay? First we will draw joker. Yes. For that you have to draw small j letter like this. Yes. Okay. Now put a dot on his head like this. Now make his face. Okay. Now draw his cap. Yes, like this. And do some drawing on the cap. Yes, now draw his eyes. Yes. Smile. Yes, like this. Correct. His ears. Yes. This is how you will draw joker. J for joker. Correct. Now let's draw something else. Yes. For this, you have to draw J again, small j. Like this. Yes. Now make a standing line like this. Yes. Now make a handle shape. What we are making children? What we are drawing actually? Yes. We are drawing jug. Yes. J for jug. Correct. This is how you will draw jug. Okay. Now let's draw jewelry. First draw J. Yes, like this. Yes. Now you can do any design which you like. Okay, children? J for jewelry. Yes, see, this is jewelry. Now let's draw J for jar. J for jar. Yes. This is jar. J for jar. Correct. Now we will draw A for jellyfish. This is how you will draw a jellyfish. It's look like a balloon, isn't it, children? Yes. Now make his eyes, eyebrows, and make him smile. Yes, this is our jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Okay. Thank you students for watching the video. I hope this was fun as well as we enjoyed our small story and small drawings. Isn't it, children? Yes. Children, make sure you will try the activity given in this video. Okay, children? And I would like to request everyone to practice writing the letter J at home. Okay, bye bye. Take care. See you next time.